Hi guys, hope you're well. So in this video I want to talk about a couple of signals that have just flashed that could potentially change everything in terms of the direction of Bitcoin and the crypto market in general. So quick disclaimer here, it's the probabilities are it could go up, it could go down, right? We're working with sort of probabilities here, but these signals historically have been very powerful. So I want to start out with my personal favorite, which is the 2-day time frame using the EMA band, the 21 and the 34, right? And we're on the price of Bitcoin here. So historically, when you see the breakup of this EMA band, we're looking for a retest back down to that 18, 19k level approximately. It's never exact, and then continuation. So we're looking for a breakup, retest, and continue. Potentially bullish engulfing candle or some sign that the momentum is actually going to keep going here. If we do see that and we see a break above this last swing high at 21,658, we could see potential upside to around 25k, which would be my next large target. If not, and if we get past that, I would be looking at sort of that 27k level, right? And this 2-day time frame, this break of the EMA band is very good, right? So historically it works both for your entries and for your exits, and essentially spells out long-term bullish, like multi-month bullish signals, right? So looking over here, you've seen it keeps you out of the majority of these bear market rallies, right? So because we're waiting for that retest, and again you can see even here it's kept us out the whole way through this bear market. It's kept us out of those bear market rallies because we're looking for that retest as well, right? It also works as your exit here as well, right? So at the end of 2021, when the start of the bear market, you had the breakdown, you had the retest, and then you had the final breakdown, and this was your exit signal. This was your invalidation, and it works pretty much like that always, right? Now, obviously not everything, it's not 100% all of the time. Like, so for example, you got out of this when it continued going up, but more or less it keeps you, if you're looking to trade, this is my favorite long-term, mid-term swing trading indicator, right? But that's not all we've got. We've got also another very powerful signal here on the 2-week MACD for the price of Bitcoin, and you can see what we're looking for here is the cross. Now, full transparency, actually I wasn't aware of the strength of this indicator until I seen Alessio Rustani, his video, and so I backtested it on a couple of different markets, and it is actually incredibly powerful. So what we're looking for here is the cross on the 2-week MACD chart. And we have actually just seen this, right? And we've had the close as well. So this signal is printed and is live, right? And historically, this has led to multi-month rallies in the price of Bitcoin and crypto in general. So if we just take a quick look back here at other times this has happened, right? So you see, this was in the end of the 2018-2019 bear market. You had the MACD below the zero line, and you had the cross right there, and that led to the 2020 bull run, right? Going back further, 2015, again, MACD below the zero line, you had the cross, it led to that bull run, right? So this is a signal that you do seriously want to be paying a lot of attention to, right? So you don't want to be going all in, right? Because it is in terms of the probabilities here, right? Bitcoin can either do one of two things, right? We've hit this weekly level here, so we could either see a pullback. We're going to see a pullback, I believe, regardless of what happens, but we could see a pullback from this weekly level to the 2017 top there around 20k to 19k, and then continuation, or you could see it come up to this weekly level and just make a lower low, right? So the probabilities are there, but you can use this 2-day time frame, this indicator, this EMA band indicator, to actually keep you right. So actually have your invalidation, right? So if you're looking to trade this, right, you would be looking at buying at the pullback around this 19k, 19k, providing that it does actually hold, right? Your invalidation for that, where you would actually be looking at exiting the market, is if we start falling back below that EMA band, retesting it and rejection. For me, that's it. I'm out. So you can minimize your actual risk on this, because I think a lot of people made that mistake in the last cycle as well, whereas they were just holding forever, and there's just no need to, especially when you've got these, when you do have strategies like that can really help minimize your risk. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe for more videos about crypto and mindset in general, about wealth. That's it for me. See you in the next one.